Hi guys, welcome back and welcome to new viewers. Just a little disclaimer before this video start is simple. This is what I did for my own barbecue. Gas is a dangerous thing to be played with. You should not play with gas. If you have any doubt or anything, please don't do it. This is not fully instructional video. This is literally showing how I replaced gas regulator because my old gas regulator was failing, was leaking, so I had to replace it with new one. So please, if you want to carry on and do this yourself, it's on your own risk, and make sure that keep your head on, switched on whilst you're doing. And if you have any doubt or no confidence, please don't do it. Ask someone with more expertise to do it. Enjoy the video. Got my barbecue. It's not new, it's old, and with new gas button. And what I noticed, I'm gonna put this regulator on, turn it on. Don't know if you can hear it. Leaks around this spindle here. So needs new regulator. I searched around and found one on Amazon, so I'm gonna review it. It comes as a gas regulator and hose by Hamilton Gas Products Limited. You can see it's 1.5 kilogram per hour, about 37 millibars. That is same rating as here, 37 millibars, 1.5 kilogram per hour. Propane. Obviously looks different, but they're both designed for 27 millimeter spigot on the gas bottle, these patio gas bayonet fitting things. So easy to replace. I'm not going to replace the whole hose. I'm going to use hose on another gas bottle that I have. So Jubilee clip. The best thing to use is one of the sockets. I don't know if you can see that. One of the sockets, the 7 millimeter sockets. I'm going to use existing hose, bit of twist, and comes off. Inspect the hose, it doesn't have any cracks or anything. If it's got any cracks or any irregularities, replace it. Don't want to play with gas and open fires. And it's simple, just put it on, and then tighten up again. The other hose, replacement hose, is much longer, but I don't really need it on here. I got another, like a gas torch, blow torch, that's got a crackled hose, and I'm going to use that new hose on there. So slightly different than original had up, push down, and this one, it's got like a butterfly. Again, push in, turn. It shows you here that that's on. It's got a little on sign and a flame, red flame, and that way it says off, and it's got green as safe. So push, and on. There you go. Job done. Easy.